guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to talk about the components which you can use to build your own custom gaming PC. It will be a budget edition, and I will also show you my gaming PC, which is a 2018 build. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Yeah, this a genius, straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been dope. Ratchet, nigga, we act good, but I'm getting money with these white folks. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanna check the bowl.
So our budget for this gaming PC will be 40,000 rupees or $530. Our first component in the list is Chiptronics MX4 RGB mid-tower cabinet. Our second component in the list is processor AMD A6-6400K dual-core processor. Third component in the list is motherboard, which is Asus Prime A32MAK AM4 socket motherboard. Our fourth component in the list is RAM, which is HyperX Fury 8GB 3200MHz RAM. The price of this RAM is around 4500 rupees. The fifth component on the list is power supply, which is Ant Esports 500 watt power supply. The sixth component in the list is hard drive, which is of Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive, which comes in the price range of 3000 rupees. The seventh component in the list is a graphics card, which is Gigabyte GeForce GT 1030 low profile graphic card. And the eighth component in the list is an esports keyboard and mouse combo. And the last component that we will need to build our PC is a monitor. This monitor is by Lenovo, which is a 21.5 inches monitor, and the resolution of this monitor is 1920 x 1080 pixels. The links of all components which we will need to build our own gaming PC are given in the description box. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you liked the video, then please share, comment down below what you want next, and subscribe our channel. And if you have any concern or query related to anything, you can DM us on Instagram or Facebook. The links are in the description box. Till then, bye and have a nice day ahead.